Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie Savage, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to diffuse your hair with Flower Beauty Hair Tools by Drew Barrymore. Diffusing your hair is so easy. First, start with a super moisturizing shampoo and conditioner so your hair is nice and clean, and then towel it off so that it's dry but still keep it damp. It's important to shape your curls or waves with a cocktail of styling products. Here are a few of my favorite ones. I like to start with the leave-in conditioner. This helps to moisturize your curls and detangle your locks. Next, I will be applying a curl cream. A curl cream helps to moisturize and hydrate those locks. Textured hair tends to be dry, so make sure to add a very nice moisturizing curl cream. And lastly, we really want to activate those curls and waves, and this is my favorite product to use. It helps to enhance my curl and wave patterns and give it that extra hold. It also helps to eliminate frizz and dryness. Now that you're done applying all of your hair products, paying attention to applying it from the roots to the ends of your hair, it's time to give your hair some volume. Just flip your hair upside down, use your hands and scrunch your hair by grabbing it by the ends and moving it up and down. This will give your hair an extra boost, some nice volume without any frizz. Now, if you haven't found a favorite hair dryer and diffuser, I got you. I love Flower Beauty Hair Tools by Drew Barrymore. It will create the most beautiful, soft curls and waves effortlessly in little time, and these products are actually worth your money. I absolutely love the Ionic Pro dryer because it dries my hair in half the time. It's energy efficient, it has a smart aerospace design airflow system, and includes the cool shot button which seals the hair cuticles and also sets your look in place. It's lightweight, easy to use. With just your fingertips, you can control the heat intensity and the airflow with ease. Now let's talk about their amazing diffuser attachment. I love its size, it's lightweight, it's not bulky and cumbersome to use. It's perfect for curly, thick, coily, and wavy hair. The 360-degree airflow and root-to-tip finger design means that your hair is diffused quickly, efficiently, and easily. Now for the fun part, ladies, let's activate those curls. To diffuse your hair properly, make sure to start drying the ends of your hair first. Use the dryer attachment just like it was your hand by cupping your hair in the bowl of the diffuser attachment and softly scrunching the curls from the ends up. Move your head around, work it side to side. I like to work it in sections, spending time on each area and moving upward towards the roots as you go. Well, there you have it. This is how I diffuse my hair. I really love the results after using Flower Beauty's Pro Ionic Dryer and Diffuser attachment. My hair just looks and feels beautiful. I love the curls. There's no frizz. My arms aren't tired, and it was really quick. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I will see you next time.